Hello everyone, thanks for tuning in. I'm Emily, the home bookkeeper, and on this channel I help business owners and fellow freelance bookkeepers navigate the ever-changing QuickBooks Online, while also sharing insightful videos on all things business ownership and finance. As always, this is a sample company provided by QuickBooks for educational purposes only. Welcome back to part 2 of my last video. In this video, I'll show you how to set up bank rules so that you can reduce the time it takes you to classify transactions in the banking center. To get started, go ahead and click on the Rules tab at the top of the banking center. Then click the green New Rule button as shown. On the Create Rule form, you can specify criteria such as the transaction amount, payee, or memo. You can also indicate the category that you want the transaction to be assigned to, as well as any tags or classes that you want to apply. Once you've set up the rule, QuickBooks will automatically categorize any transactions that meet the specified criteria. In the example below, I'll apply bank rules for NYC Electric Company with the following condition: any money out transaction that includes an NYC Electric Code text and the amount is less than $500 is categorized automatically as a utility expense. To do so, you'll want to provide a name for the rule that will make it easy to identify later. Next, indicate whether you want the rule to apply to transactions that are money out or money in, either all bank accounts or specific bank accounts. Specify one or more conditions that the transaction should meet to be classified under your new rule. If you specify multiple conditions, you can choose whether the transaction must meet all conditions or at least one of the conditions. Conditions can reference the transaction's description, bank text, or the amount. If the condition is based on the transaction's description or bank text, you can specify that it must contain, doesn't contain, or exactly matches the text that you enter into the rule. Conditions that reference the amount of the transaction can specify the amount must be equal to, not equal to, greater than, or less than the value that you specify. And in the final section, you'll tell QuickBooks Online how to assign the transaction. You can specify the following fields for each transaction that meets the conditions that you set. By expanding the Assign link, you can specify other fields such as payee, customer, tags, class, location, and memo. Once you're done, be sure to click the green Save button. As the overall best small business accounting software, QuickBooks Online helps you reduce data entry and stay on top of your financials using bank feeds. By automatically importing transactions from your bank and credit card accounts, QuickBooks bank feeds can reduce the amount of time needed to record and categorize your bank accounts and make it easy to reconcile your accounts, with the ability to match transactions in QuickBooks to those in your bank statement. Additionally, by managing your bank feeds, you can identify any discrepancies or errors in your financial data and take immediate action to rectify them, helping you minimize the risk of errors, inaccuracy, and fraud. For more business resources, business supplies, gadgets, must-haves, and more, make sure to check out edjconsultinggroup.com/resources, linked in the description box below. And of course, like this video, subscribe to my channel, and turn on those bell notifications so you'll never miss an upload. If you have any video or tutorial requests, make sure to leave them in the comments below. And if you need more assistance, private QuickBooks Online coaching, or bookkeeping and payroll management, feel free to email or visit edjconsultinggroup.com. My firm is fully inclusive and ready to help you along wherever you may be in your entrepreneurship or personal wealth building journey.